just now joining us, Brittney is live this morning from Gillette, which is the ATV capital of the world. Just a minute ago, she was looking at some killer ATVs. Brittney, what's going on?
Yes. Look at this. This is awesome. I just want to be out on the trails right now. If there was a little bit of daylight, that's exactly where I'd be. And you know I'm going to at 6:30 this morning, so keep it here. But let's talk about the weather first, because we're going to be hitting the trails today. The weather has done a 180. We don't even know what to expect anymore, right? We were 81 degrees, basically breaking record high temperatures on Tuesday. And then yesterday, a massive cold front sweeps on through, knocks those temperatures down. And we're sitting in the low 50s into Green Bay. So a weather 180. And in fact, our high temperatures, they look a bit confusing, right? Into the 60s. Didn't feel like that for our afternoon highs, right? No, we hit those at 1 a.m. yesterday. Continue to drop after that. Look, right between 11 and noon. I told you it was going to be that lunch hour. Hello, cold front dropped us 13 degrees in just 1 hour. That is pretty intense there. Also, speaking of intense, the rainfall. We were in a bit of a drought. We only got a ½ inch of rain over the past 30 days. Then we got 3/4 yesterday. So that should kick us out of that drought condition into the Northwoods. Now, we are looking at just a little trace of rain expected today. Very minimal. In fact, the bigger story is going to be these temperatures ranging from anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees cooler than yesterday. So we're stuck in this cold snap. Look at those blues overtaking all of Illinois, Indiana, and they're going to continue to surge further to the south. Right now, upper 30s to mid 40s as you head out the door, but the winds are still a little feisty, up to 15 miles per hour out of the west. That means it's creating wind chills on occasion, and it's not going to give up today. So continue to have those winds gusting up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And of course, feeling more like the upper 30s all day long. So dress for that temperature, not the mid 40s today, especially if you're going to be hitting the trails. You got wind chill on top of that, but it's worth every second of it. And pretty soon they're going to be covered in snow, and then we'll be on the snowmobiles, right? All good stuff. That's why we live up here. Now, of course, as we take a look at radar, there is a little swath of rain moving in towards Lake Winnebago. That'll be there in about 45 minutes or so. Again, it's not a heavy downpour, very light drizzle. Look up into northwestern Wisconsin, though. Light snowfall flying there. It's already flown last weekend. And now we're looking at those chances increasing as well as the system just continues to spin to the north of us. Mainly scattered rain showers for the Fox Valley and Lakeshore, but a few flurries could be flying in just a few hours here into the Northwoods, and then again tomorrow morning. And that trend just continues through the mornings throughout our weekend as well. In fact, Fox Valley, we could even be seeing some of the first flurries before we hit next week. So as we take a look at this one, you can see even by Friday morning, potentially some accumulating snowfall into the grassy areas. And then as we look ahead for the rest of the month of October, those below average temperatures just continue to grip us. So highs today into the upper 40s, low 50s by the lakeshore, flirting with that freezing mark once again overnight tonight. Then tomorrow, repeat of today, mostly cloudy, overcast skies, a few spotty showers on occasion. And of course, we're going to be stuck in this cold, like I mentioned, for a while now. So upper 40s to even some mid 40s is going to be the trend here for us. Sunshine for the weekend. And in fact, those scattered showers that wanted to hit Lambeau during the game have now pushed off until Monday. So the weekend's looking fantastic, just a little crisp and cool. I'm going to be hitting the trails though, because fall colors are at peak.